After my Oregon trip, I decided to head east to visit an old friend of mine. Hey! Mr. Ram Miro.
Evie. All right, howdy folks. How's it going? I'm out here in North Carolina, of all places, with my good buddy Ram Miro. And right now we're about to drive 5 hours north to West Virginia to catch a palomino trout, a golden trout for Ram's golden birthday.
Yeah, trying to go after that gold, baby.
The gold rush. Let's see what we can do. Hi, we out here. What's this lake called again, bud? Anawalt Lake. And this is where we're gonna start up. All right, so the water is a little murky here, but we're gonna start here. It's raining, and we're just gonna play it by ear. We got nothing to do but fish the next 2 days. That's exactly right. All right, so that bluegill was my very first fish caught in West Virginia. It was on a fly rod and on a dry fly while it was raining. That was awesome. And now we're about to hit this little hole. Looks good, looks promising. Throw some spinners in there, let's see what happens.
When fishing new waters in a new state, it's easy to get discouraged when you're not slamming them. But I have to remind myself, I'm fishing new waters in a new state. And the exploration, adventure, and especially the challenge all make up the reasons why I love fishing.
We were fishing for trout, but Ram landed a nice largie.
Got a large.
That's beautiful. Howdy. Can I help you? How are you liking America? Nice, good talk. Yo, you getting close as fuck, bro? What you doing? All right, so that was our first day in West Virginia. Didn't catch any trout, what we were targeting, but we caught some nice bass and a bluegill. First fish in West Virginia. Right now we're posted up at a truck stop. About to go to sleep. And tomorrow we're gonna fish our asses off. Let's see what happens.
Good night, Owen.
Good night, buddy.
Well, it was cold, it was windy, and we didn't land our targeted species. But I did get out there with my old friend again, and our old dog. And that's what it's all about. And there's nothing else I'd rather do.